So yeah, hey, what's up? Hello you guys, it's your girl Karen. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to do a chit chat get ready with me. Where am I going? Nowhere. Am I still gonna get ready and act like I'm going somewhere? 100%. I wanted to do the full shebang. I wanted to do my full face, and then I wanted to straighten my hair. And I wanted to do like an orange metallic-y red look. So yeah, I wanted to do that look, and then I also wanted to just talk. So let's just get right into it. I'm probably not gonna talk, either not gonna talk enough or I'm gonna talk too much during this get ready with me. So let me just, como se dice, dive in. I'm gonna start off with my Wet n Wild photo focus setting spray that barely even works. Take my this is, what brand is this? I don't even know what brand this is, but this is just a spoolie that I got from Target. This spoolie is so bomb. I highly recommend. It was like either $14 or $18, but this bitch is worth it. Like, I love it. I'm just gonna brush out my brows, my spoolie, my pomade, and go ham on my brows. Last couple months, I kind of been going through it. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to you guys. I'm using a brown eyeshadow as like a powder because I don't have a powder, so it works equally as well. So just, anyway, I've kind of been going through it, which is why I haven't uploaded as frequently as I used to, just because a lot has happened. It's weird because like a lot has happened, but at the same time, like, it hasn't. I don't know. I was working a lot, and never had time to film, and plus for a while I wasn't really going nowhere. So like, I did film, but I just haven't edited a lot. Like, I do have some videos, but I just haven't edited them. So I don't know. I don't really have the motivation to edit or do anything really. So yeah. Do you guys like ever have those moments where you're like depressed and happy at the same time? Or is that just me? I kind of want to rant about my love life, but at the same time I kind of don't, because the person that I want to rant about watches my videos. So whatever. My love life has turned to shit over the past couple months, and it sucks. Should I talk about this person? Should I not talk about this person? I don't know. I don't even know if this person... Line my brows first. Yes, I am fully aware that my eyebrows aren't even. They are never even. I outline them first, and then I conceal them. Photo focus, the Wet n Wild photo focus concealer. This concealer is bomb, to be honest. I highly recommend. I have so much to say, but I just don't want to. I don't want my business out there like that, and only a handful of people really know what's been going on with me. So my love life sucks. Always has, probably always will. I really wish I could just rant about my love life. I really do, but I can't. I'm filming this on Andrea's birthday, so I just want to give a shout out to Cherry Baby and wish her a happy birthday. And then Selena's birthday was yesterday, so happy belated birthday, sister. I love y'all to the death of me. After I concealed everything, I'm just gonna fill in the rest of my brows with my pomade and then with my powder, and then the fun part will begin. And I'm pretty sure everyone will be taking screenshots of me, because like, if I could go off right now I would, but I'm not. Am I not going off for the sake of this person? No, I'm going off for the sake of my business being out there, and I don't want that. So it's gonna be a second before I get over this person. Do I want to get over this person? No. Do I have to? For the sake of my mental? Yes. Do is I'm gonna set my brows. I set my brows two ways. I set my brows with powder, and then I go over that powder with eyebrow gel. And I saw that from a girl, I think her IG is like I4 or something like that, but I've been following her for a really long time. So take your screenshot. Just gonna conceal my eyelids and then get into my eyeshadow. I'm saying, like, I haven't really, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie, like, I haven't been in the best place mentally the past couple months, and that's why I haven't been filming as consistently as I used to. But I am trying. Like, I filmed, I uploaded the fair vlog, and then I filmed a few days prior to that when me, Sophie, and Andrea went roller skating, and I'm trying to edit that. And then I thought I filmed another video. And now I'm filming this, and hopefully this will be good enough to put up. First went in with like a vibrant orange. She went in with that orange all over the lid. So blending is gonna take a minute, so I'll come back when both eyes are blended with the orange. So now that all the orange is blended out, I'm just gonna make sure that it's truly blended. Cause yeah. She literally just like went in with the metallic shade. I don't know if she put something like over it, I don't know. Polite AF ColourPop metallic shades. And what shade am I gonna go with? I'm gonna go in with Deep Divine is the red metallic shade that I have, I think it is. I haven't even used this yet, like deadass haven't even used this yet. So it's kind of like a first impression, like get ready with me, chit chat, like. I barely touched it. Can this bitch be metallic first? I mean, I guess if she went in with like a brown in the crease. Like I said, the only thing that's gonna suck about this look is that I'm not gonna have lashes. I just want to know like how that girl made her shit look hella metallic-y and mine's like not. She's okay, like she's getting there. I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner and then my Milani eyeliner, the matte eyeliner. Take a shot every time that I said that I'm going through it in this video. She's kind of cute. And then the girl went in with, she put white under her eyes. I'm gonna try to do that. I don't have white. Fucking, I don't have a white stick. In with my voluminous curved brush mascara from L'Oreal. And then I'm just gonna do my eyelashes like how I regularly would, and cry over the fact that I don't have lashes. SMH Schmidt. So now we need to take off the cocaine and see and fix them up a little bit. Okay, she's kind of cute or whatever. Highlight the inner. I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eyes and then my brow bone. I swear eyebrow highlight makes everything better. Okay, I'm back. I didn't film my foundation because that was a mess and a mission. So I'm just gonna go straight into my contour. I'm using the Wet n Wild contour. I'm in the shade, what is it? Oh, Caramel Toffee. So yeah, this is my only contour palette I will ever use. If they discontinue it, I'm never putting makeup on again. Just saying. And I'm gonna contour my nose. And then I conceal in the middle. Telling y'all I'm a mess. Going my blush. I'm using Thankful. Oh, I'm using Party by Tarte. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I put a little blush on my nose. And now, my favorite part, the part y'all have been waiting for, the part that I've been waiting for, motherfucking highlight. Oh my god. I literally orgasm over a good highlight. Truly. Oh, yep. Can we just ignore the fact that I'm bald for a second? Please. And, God, y'all. It cost $5 for this bomb of a highlight. Oof. Okay. Okay. Highlight. Nose highlight. And then I also kind of highlight over here. Cupid's bow highlight. Last but not least, the lips with this LA Colors lip liner. What's the shade? Mauve. but I'm gonna go with my Drew Barrymore matte liquid lipstick in the shade, I don't even know what the shade is. Drew Barrymore is Doing Things, called Rosewood. I got it from Walmart. She's done. I don't deserve to be single. I'm cute. Ooh, the hair, with the way my hair looking, I might not straighten it because I love when it looks hella curly. Okay, that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I only have a certain, like, oh, stop wasting time, bitch. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow my social medias. Oh my god, last minute happy birthday to Andrea and Selena. I love you guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.